Let me see. Let me see here. All right. All right. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? Oh. Let me see. I gotta fix this up right here. See, tighten this up here, if you will. Let me see. Let me see. All right. All right. Hopefully you guys could hear me. If you can't, give me a thumbs up. If you can, give me a thumbs down. I don't know. No sé. Let's see right now. I gotta fix this up right here, cause here we go. All right, all right. Course should be starting up shortly in the next few minutes or so. Once it continues, then we'll go ahead and get on with it. But obviously, it looks like you guys can't see me. Let me see here. Let me move this like this. Maybe is this better? You guys let me know. Let me see. Let me get the. What do I gotta do? I gotta do something right here. See, here we go. All right, this is going to be the last court of the night. This is going to be the 11 p.m. Maricopa County Court. Should be starting up in the next few minutes. Let me see here. Let me... bam. There we go. Hey, what's up? What's up, Kristen? Hey, how's it going? All right, so we should be starting up shortly. Hey, thank you. Highly appreciate that. Highly appreciate that right there. Let me see. Let me get this a little bit right here. Hey, can you hear me good? If you could let me, just woke up. That's right. That is right. Let me see. I got this. I got this. Let me see this over here. All right, cool. I want to make sure my audio levels are good. I got the old microphone back on. So hopefully, well, hey, Drea, thank you. Highly appreciate that confirmation right there. Highly appreciate that. Let me see. Hey, what up, Smoggy? Lantern, if you will. All right. Let me see over here. And I see somebody on YT. Appreciate you. And let me see. Let me get this over here. Let's see. Select source. And nope. All right. Here we go. Want to make sure I can see the chat over here. Let me extend it. Smoggy Lantern, hey, what's up? Yeah, so I got the new and improved setup, if you will. Course should be starting up in the next hopefully 6 minutes or so. Course should be starting up at about 11 p.m., which would be Pacific Standard Time. As you guys can see, we got the CL20s back on deck. We got the Rode mic, so hopefully you guys could hear me like the way you normally hear me. You guys are able to hear me. Let me see. I'm good, and you? Hey, I can't complain. We went to dinner tonight with my wife. I hung out a little bit. We watched some Netflix, if you will. And now I'm here, doing the damn thing. Let me see. Damn, it's 2 a.m. for me. Woo-hoo! Oh, you know what? Let me check this out. Let me check. Amazing, James. All right, we got the sounds here. We got the prices wrong. See, I think it needs to be a little bit louder. Let me see. We got the Jamaican blowhorn. The dance hall. All right, that's good. That's good. Let me check the other ones. And I gotta check the agua, if you will. Dynamic effects, sound effects. Here we go. Let's see. We got that, and we got the. Let's see. Got the agua. All right. It's 2 a.m. for me too, and I'm at work. All right. Hopefully, the sound effects, the agua, we definitely got to make sure the agua is in effect. And you guys could hear that loud and clear. Let me see here. And one other thing that I got to check here. I got to check this right here. Bam. There we go. There we go. Where'd he go? Oh, here, I think it's this one right here. Okay, cool. All right, you guys, did you guys see the toasty guy from Mortal Kombat? And I think we're all good now. So anyhow, today earlier on, I'm not sure how many of you guys were on today. We were able to do a live this morning. I think I did the 11 o'clock one. All right, and court's about to start up here. What kind of cases do you guys think we're going to be having tonight? Who is going to be up next on The Price is Wrong? On tonight's episode. Hey, what's up? What's up, Maribel Vasquez? Hey, I can't complain, Maribel. I'm doing pretty good. Hey, what up, Gio El Paisa? What's up? How's it going? DUI. Kristen says it's going to be DUI. What do you guys think? Maybe a little domestic violence. Maybe a little 211 or armed robbery, if you will. Maybe even a unaliving, if you will. Let me see. Haley J. Wait, is this court live? Shit, I hope so, Haley J. I didn't stay up to 11 p.m., for this court not to be live. But hey, if you don't believe me, just pay attention to the judge when she comes on. She's gonna say the date and the time. Like that, you'll get visual and audio confirmation that this is live happening right now. My audio might be out of sync, but I am live and direct, if you will. If you look at the clock up here, depending on where you're at, you can. So you see it says Friday, September 26th. Okay, here we go. No, it's AI generated. That's right. Hey, what's up, Xavier? OMG, you're finally back. I was going through withdrawals. I had surgery on my neck. Damn. How are you doing? I've never seen it before. Really? Yeah, no. This is the real deal. Holyfield, if you will. Yes, I wasn't being smart, laughing out loud. I've never been here. Oh, hey, welcome. Hey, welcome, Haley J. Welcome to You Have a Collect Call From, where you get your daily dosage of crime activities, whether it's calls from prison. Hey, thank you for that. Who sent me that? Haley J. Thank you. I highly appreciate that. Where you get your daily dose of collect calls from prison. You get your daily dose of court hearings, if you will, and everything in between. And a lot of if you wills, if you will. Hey, thank you, Tiny0926. Thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate that. And let me see, Queen. Let me see. You're in the wrong time zone, sir. Court on a Saturday at 3:58 p.m. is insane. Woohoo! You must be in like Australia or something. You're like different. You're definitely living in the future right there. Hey, you're welcome. You're welcome, Haley. Let me see. SME James, ¿cómo estás?
Just have a seat for now, and then when the judge gets here.
She's coming, yeah.
Damn. Yeah, slow your roll right there. You definitely saying it with your chest.
Right over here.
Who is this guy?
And when I say all right, in a minute.
1 second.
I'm just hanging out. Just hanging in there. Put 3 cages and 6 screws. Woohoo! Sounds painful. Did they put you on some Dilaudid, some morphine, if you will? Give you a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Hey, remember, don't get hooked. Because last thing I want to see is up. I don't want to see you up in one of these courts right here. The doctors are definitely gonna tell. They're not gonna tell you that that stuff that they give you is highly addictive, if you will. Let me see. Don't mind my picture. Laughing out loud. It's my homie. He lost a bet and had to wear a dress. What? All rise.
Get up. Be seated.
That's me. I live in Scottsdale. What, Deanna? Proceed with caution.
Kind of quick word I gotta do.
Man, my head's all nice and shiny, if you will. Hey, where's everybody tuning in from? I see there's 51 people in here, and we got how many tabs? We got 1,896 tabs. Hey, what's up? Let's at least get up to 10K, man. Typing is free. And everybody, I hope you guys got fingers on this. That one girl that I be looking at sometimes when she comes up on FYP, she has no hands. So if you got hands, you got no excuse. If you got feet, you got no excuse. Let me see. We got Cali, we got PA, we got Canada, we got Modesto, California, Australia. We got South Phoenix, Arizona. Represent. We got ND, North Dakota, right? North Dakota. That's right. The hospital. What, Roxy? Oh, hell no. Hey, Andrea, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate that. Spokane Valley, Washington, Nicaragua, up in the house. We got Central America. Who's she calling? Bro, she be doing her makeup good as Diana. You know who I'm talking about, right? Sydney, Australia, England, UK, Southgate. That's right. Damn, I feel like I'm in the courtroom.
Hi, Officer Sergeant Cindy Minetti at the Search Warrant Center. I have your warrant. Are you ready to be sworn?
Yep, I am.
You
I am,
swear or
officer.
affirm that the information contained in the affidavit and warrant are true and accurate to the best of your personal knowledge, information, or belief.
Hey, normally they mute us for this.
Okay.
We don't even get to hear this. So this is behind the scenes.
Good luck. Bye-bye.
Hey, that girl with the feet. Hey, that's talent right there.
Just get a
Hey, thank you for that.
From the county
Bex,
attorney.
baby girl. Gracias, highly appreciate that.
Just letting me know on what cases she will be appearing.
Brother, we miss you on
I
here.
think she's at 13
What?
and 14. Can you answer her back and say I'm planning on the $250 cash?
Okay, I will listen.
Where you at?
All right.
Where you at?
This is the 11 p.m. initial appearance calendar.
Sammy?
I'm going to call you in individually. You're going to state your name and date of birth.
Did she
I will
say
tell you
11
what you've been
p.m.?
booked on and whether an attorney has been appointed to represent you. I'm also going to give you the date of your next court appearance. I will let you know whether you're eligible for a bond or not. If it's a secured bond, that means you can go through a bonding company. Phone numbers for the various bonding companies are located in that jail area. You call any one of them, they will accept collect calls.
Did somebody say
If it's a
collect
cash
calls?
bond, then you have to pay the entire amount of the bond. I'm also going to tell you if I've set any release.
Hey, what up,
conditions,
Bren?
Like no contact with
Sammy,
the alleged victim.
that's
or
right.
No going back to the alleged scenes of the crime.
The crime scene?
You need
Collect
to follow
calls?
each
Hey, what up,
other
Matthew?
condition if you want to remain released. Let me remind you, if you've been ordered by a court not to have contact with the victim and then
Hey,
you
what up,
do
Kay?
so,
Sheen
you may be
Gators,
charged
Kay.
with
You
an
made it back
additional
again.
felony. Now, when you come into the courtroom, you're going to go behind the podium.
What up, if you will? Damn, I can't hear nothing. Can you stop talking?
Video recorded. So do not talk about the facts of your case, as you have the right to remain silent. As you leave the courtroom, the court staff there is going to give you your paperwork. If you look at it, it's going to show you what you've been charged with, whether you're were appointed an attorney or not, where, when, what time your next court appearance is, then whether you're eligible for a bond or not, and then it'll have a list of all your release conditions. Purpose of this hearing is to determine whether you're eligible for a bond or not. That decision is based on your past criminal history, any failures to appear, Arizona law, and your current charges.
Hey, it's Friday
Not
night.
based on personal information, so don't
So we
go
should be
into
having some
that.
good cases
Finally,
tonight.
for the record, the orders for 10 fingerprinting and the taking of DNA samples that were made on the first calendar
Jennifer, thank you.
of this month, September 2025, shall apply to all matters on this calendar. Can I have John Gallup?
John Gallup, come on down to
And
the
then
Price is
Christopher
Wrong.
Lopez to the chair outside the courtroom. All right, sir, state your name and date of birth.
John Gallup, 7/11/85.
All right, you have
85?
two matters. The first one is a failure to appear warrant for one kind of possession of narcotic drug, class 4 felony, and one kind of possession of drug paraphernalia.
That fool looks,
class 6
he's
felony.
doing bad.
You already have a court-appointed lawyer.
I'm from
Your next
81.
hearing is going to be a status conference, October 2nd at 8:30. When you didn't go to court, the judge set your bond at $750. Now you've got new
85.
charges alleging one kind of possession for sale of narcotic drugs, class 2 felony,
82.
and
95.
one kind of obstruction, refusing to give a true name, class 2 misdemeanor. I've appointed a lawyer to represent you. Your next hearing is going to be a status conference, October 2nd at 8:30. Now, I'm also setting an evidentiary hearing on the very next day, October 3rd at 1:30.
74.
So, Arizona has a criminal rule of procedure,
85, that's right.
4.2A7A. And basically what it says is if you're out on release, like you were, and you allegedly commit a new felony, you're non-bailable. But you get to challenge that with your attorney. And that's going to happen at that evidentiary hearing on October the 3rd
Hey,
at
crime!
1:30.
Hey, crime don't stop, homeboy.
Okay.
Get your paperwork from the court staff.
He's
Right
locked
there.
up. They won't let him out.
Christopher Lopez, come on in. Luis Pisano,
Hey, that
to
fool
the
needs to.
chair outside the courtroom.
That fool needs to stop committing crimes.
Okay, sir, state your name and date of birth.
Christopher Lopez, 06-1907.
And did the county attorney, did she
1907.
stay on the record or no? She is?
What's up
County
with-
attorney, do you want to announce?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh!
Good evening.
That's-
Ashley Stetson
that's
on behalf
Ashley.
of the state.
Oh, what? Oh,
Okay,
Ashley.
sir, you're here on a Superior Court new case alleging 2 counts of burglary in the 2nd degree, Class 3 felonies, 13 counts of burglary in the 3rd degree, Class 4 felonies, 3 counts of attempted burglary in the 3rd degree, Class 5 felony, and 1 count of theft or control of stolen property, Class 6 felony. These are various dates
What up
of
with Ashley?
offenses in September.
Do you guys wanna
of
see
this
Ashley?
year. Let me also tell you that prior to coming to court, I received, reviewed, and considered victim statements from
Let's get
a
Ashley on
David
the screen. Here we go. I
Casper,
got
a
Ashley.
Mandy Queen,
Got Ashley
a
up in
Randy
here.
Stanrich, a David Lucero, a Hector Grijalva, Edward Quintero Vega, and Philip Ramsey.
You gotta see her now.
I'm appointing a lawyer to represent you. Counsel, did you want to be heard?
Yes, Your Honor. The state would like to be heard quickly. Your Honor, the state did review the very lengthy probable cause statement by Detective Roller of the who is the assigned detective on this case, Your Honor. It was approximately 24 pages and goes into great detail, so the state won't rehash the details of his probable cause statement. Along with the probable cause statement, the state did review every single one of the victim impact statements. What struck the state most is across the board, Your Honor, every single one of the victim's impact statement made a comment about how these alleged crimes have affected them, how they no longer feel safe in their homes, Your Honor. They no longer feel that sense of security as well. The suspects are alleged to have taken items out of vehicles, which includes everything from work property to guns to tools to luxury handbags, Your Honor.
Luxury handbags.
The totality of the damages and the items stolen are still being calculated. However, Your Honor,
She's the prosecutor.
The concern for the
DA
state is due to the significance and the amount of victims. The state has no reassurance
Hey, what
that
up, 20?
the suspects are released, that they will not continue to behave in this sort of manner, to continue this sort of criminal activity.
Renee.
So based on this, Your Honor, the state is requesting a high cash bond. The state is requesting no contact with any of the victims. The state is requesting electronic monitoring, no contact with either suspect. That includes the next suspect, Your Honor, who is Luis Pisano for this suspect. The state is requesting no weapons, no alcohol or drugs, no returning to the scene, and any other conditions, Your Honor, sees as fit. But just due to the extent of damage, and the state's not just talking about the physical damage and the property stolen, but the emotional and mental damage that these suspects have have created in the victims, the state does believe that a high bond is appropriate. Thank you, Your Honor.
Hey, thank you for the follow, Allison. Highly appreciate you.
Sir, your next hearing is going to be a status conference on October the 2nd at 8:30. I'm setting a $250,000 cash
Damn!
bond. You are not
250?
to return to any of the scenes of crimes, no contact with any of the alleged victims, no contact with the alleged co-defendants, the people that you were with, no possessing of any weapons. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, get your paperwork from the court staff. Luis Pisano, come on in. James Barton to the chair outside the courtroom.
Hey, mate, my apologies to you guys for Ashley, man. Ashley, she definitely has a speech
Please
impediment.
state your name and date of birth.
Luis Pisano, 0528, 2004.
What up, Frank?
All right, you are here on a Superior Court new case alleging 2 counts of burglary in the second degree, class
That must
3
be
felonies.
that must be his crime
13
partner.
counts of burglary in the third degree, class 4 felonies. 3 counts of attempted burglary in the third degree, class 5 felony. And 2 counts of theft of control of stolen property, class 6 felony. Again, these are various dates of offenses, all in September of 2025.
She might be
I am
watching.
appointing a lawyer to represent you. And again,
She
prior to
might.
coming to court, I received, reviewed, and considered victim statements from
Hey, Daniel,
David
thank you.
Casper, Mandy Queen,
What up, Harley?
Randy Stanbridge,
You gotta hear Ashley repeat.
David Lucero, Hector Grijalva,
She's part of the team.
Eduardo Quintero Vega,
Hey, animal lover.
Philip Ramsey. Counsel, did you wish to be heard?
Yes, Your Honor. And for the record, Your Honor, Ashley Stetson on behalf of the state.
Thank you,
Your
Ashley.
Honor, the state, again, did review the 24-page probable cause statement that Detective Roller of the Goodyear Police Department did submit.
Thank you
Your Honor,
again,
the
Daniel.
state also reviewed every single one of the victims' impact statements. Again, Your Honor, across the board, the thing that was stood out to the state was the violation of safety and security that these suspects are alleged to have committed. Your Honor, again, they're alleged to have taken employer property, guns, tools,
Did she
luxury
say
handbags, garage door controllers, Your Honor.
J Buff. Team
So the state does take this very seriously. The total value of everything is still being calculated, Your Honor. The state also would note that in the victims' impact statements, many of the victims, or many, but some of the victims did state that they're unable to work now because of the items that were taken allegedly by these suspects. So
Wait,
this
card.
is an ongoing issue for these victims, and the state does
WTH.
believe that a high bond is appropriate. The state is asking for the same conditions as the state did for the other suspects, Your Honor, that were laid out in
Players
the state's
only
written
live
recommendation.
once.
But for those reasons, Your Honor, also due to the amount of victims that there are alleged to have been violated by these suspects, the state stated that they did read the victims' impact statements, but the victims' impact statements don't include all of the victims that are alleged to have been violated by these suspects. So the state, again, is asking for a high cash bond, as well as the conditions that are laid out in the state's written recommendation. Thank you.
Damn it, Ashley.
Okay, thank you. Your next hearing is going to be a status conference, October the 2nd at 8:30. I am setting a cash-only bond of $250,000. You are not to return to any of the alleged scenes of crime, have no contact with any victims, have no contact with your co-defendants, and you are not to possess any weapons. Understood? Get your paperwork from the court staff. James Barton, come on in. Counsel, were you going to appear on any other cases?
No, Your Honor. Can the state be excused?
Yep.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank the Lord.
Yep. Sir, state your name and date of birth.
James Wayne Barton, 6471.
And Giovanni Acosta to the chair outside the courtroom. Okay, sir, you're
Cash
here on
only.
the Superior Court new case alleging one kind of aggravated assault on a first responder. That's a class 5 felony. One kind of disorderly conduct, class 1 misdemeanor. I've appointed a lawyer to represent you. Your next hearing is going to be a status conference October 2nd at 8:30. Let me tell you that the county attorneys had asked for a bond of $25,000 because you don't really have a current record. You have some old felonies. I did not impose that, but you are going to have a bond of $2,500, not cash. You are not to have any contact with the alleged victim, the officer.
The
And
22nd?
you are not to possess any weapons.
What kind of
Can you
case?
print this one out again, too?
If you don't mind. If you don't mind sharing with us.
And you are not, if you post that bond, you're going to be on pretrial services supervision with alcohol and drug testing. Understood?
Yes.
All right. Court staff will bring you your paperwork.
Hey, what up, Monica?
Thank you.
Giovanni Acosta, come on in. Tavius Roberts. to the
She don't
chair
look like an
outside the
attorney.
courtroom.
That's Ashley. She's a regular on here. James, did your friend ever get
Giovanni
released?
Acosta?
He did, Ella. He did. Oregon? That's right.
Tavius Roberts to the chair outside the court. State your name and date of birth.
Giovanni Acosta, March 5th, 1995.
You have a failure to appear warrant for 2 counts of possession of narcotic drug, class 4 felonies. You already have a court-appointed lawyer. Your next hearing is going to be a status conference, October 2nd at 8:30. Set a $2,000 cash bond. Get your paperwork from the court staff. Tavius Roberts, come on in. Audrey White to the chair outside the courtroom.
He's definitely going to have to get that comb from the fish kid, if you will. It's
State your
definitely
name and date of birth.
definitely going to come in handy.
2003.
1/4 of 2003.
Is that looks
All
like
right, you've got a probation violation warrant for
That-
your probation
Oh,
that you're on. for
oh,
class
that's a
6
long one.
felony.
Oh.
Probation is alleging you violated terms
Little
3,
Wheezy?
4, and 5.
Wheezy
I've
F
appointed
baby.
a lawyer to represent you. Your next hearing will be an arraignment, possible disposition, October 3rd at 8:30. Set a $750 bond. If you post that bond, you must contact your probation officer within 72 hours. Get your paperwork from the court staff.
Hey, that's
Audrey
1990.
White, come on in.
Hey, that's 1999,
And
Little Wayne right there.
Terrell Whitfield.
That's definitely
to the
not
chair
the-
outside the courtroom.
Not 2025, Wheezy.
Sir, state your name and date of birth.
Andre Jamal White, 11/13/94.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah, I
you
like
have a
Jamal.
West Mesa Justice Court warrant for one kind of failure to
This-
appear, which when you have a court appearance and you don't show up, then you get another charge. That's a class 2 misdemeanor. You will have a lawyer appointed for you for the limited representation regarding the bond issue. Your next hearing will be an arraignment, October 1st at 8:30. They had asked for a bond of $1,000. I reduced it to $200.
Gotcha.
All right, get your paperwork from the court staff. Terrell, come on in. Charles McLaughlin to the chair outside the courtroom.
Hey, where's everybody tuning in from? If you guys
State
wouldn't mind
your name and
sharing,
date of birth.
highly appreciate it.
8997.
All right, you've got 2 warrants. They're from Goodyear Municipal Court. First one is for one kind of criminal trespass in the 3rd degree. This allegedly happened November 4th of 2023. You'll have a lawyer for limited representation regarding the bond issue. Your next hearing will be an arraignment, October 1st at 8:30. They had asked for a bond of $500. I reduced it to $100. And on the
London.
second one,
UK. Is this real? Hell no. This
same
is
thing. This is from Goodyear.
This is
Municipal
AI generated.
Court. It's a warrant.
I'm not even
Criminal
real.
Trespass in the 3rd degree,
Rhode
class
Island.
3 misdemeanor. This allegedly happened November 11th of 2023. You'll have a lawyer appointed for you at the next hearing for limited representation regarding the bond issue.
AI's getting really
The next
good.
hearing will be an arraignment, October 1st, 8:30.
I didn't see. What comments,
Again,
G-Money?
they had asked for a bond of $500. I reduced it to $100.
Yes, ma'am.
Get your paperwork from the court staff.
Arizona.
Charles McLaughlin, come on in. Derek Simmons.
Dang,
to the chair
2023.
outside the courtroom.
Hey, Don't Be Plum, thank you for the daily hearts. Highly appreciate you guys. And I see we're about to be hitting 20,000 taps, so highly appreciate you guys.
Please state your name and date of birth.
Charles McLaughlin, October 2nd, 1963.
You have a Superior Court new case alleging one count of theft, Class 5 felony.
Katie, thank
This
you.
allegedly occurred July 22nd of this year. I've appointed a lawyer to represent you. Your next hearing is going to be a status conference, October 10th at 8:30. I'm going to release you on
Are you
an
going to
ankle
be back
monitor.
for a while now? I
You're
hope
gonna
so,
be
Candy.
monitored by pretrial services, and you will have curfew restrictions.
Arizona.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, get your paperwork from the court staff. Derek Simmons, come on in.
This is Maricopa
And
County.
then Alfred Davis to the chair outside the courtroom. Sir, state your name and date of birth.
Derek Simmons, 8392.
Okay, you've got a Superior Court new case alleging one count of possession of narcotic drug, Class 4 felony. I've appointed a lawyer to represent you. Your next hearing will be a status conference.
You know what, G Money?
October 10th at
I'm not
8:30.
sure.
I'm going to release you on your own promise to go to court. Now, did you hear all the people that failed to appear
Yeah.
and then they get a bond?
Oh, yeah.
That's what
Armando.
happened.
You said the second, right?
Pardon?
Oh, you said what day? The 10th? At 8?
The 10th. It'll be on your paperwork.
Okay.
Just don't miss court, okay?
I've seen
All
$50
right,
bills
get your
before.
paperwork.
Thank you.
Okay, I've got a warrant I have to do.
Hey.
And where is our book?
Hey, the guy that had a $750 bill,
I told you a book.
what did he do? Does anybody recall? I don't remember what he did. $50. Nah, $50. I've seen $50. Hey, who's
I'm
seen
used to it
50?
there, but I kind of like it there.
Who's seen $50 bills here before?
Hey, it's going to be a long night with
Best
me.
burger
Just
time.
tell 'em.
How can I watch this in my area? Where are you located? Back then, yeah, nah. I seen $25 bills. Yeah, man, in Florida sometimes, they'll do a dollar bill, but they do that because you're not gonna go nowhere because you got a nice hold. I see them all the time. They say gives them credit for time served. Apparently, I had a $10 bill for Phoenix. That's right, Deanna. South Carolina. You know, I've never seen any in North Carolina. You might want to go down, take a little stroll to your local court virtually and check if they not all courts offer stuff like this. It depends on the state and city you're in. And we see tell the homies to bail him out. You know, that's right. Hey Tracy, what's up? How's it going? AKA sober and sassy. Yeah, so hey, for anybody that's wondering, this is real. This is happening right now in real time. Arizona has court like 8 times a day. They start at the first one's at 2 a.m., 5 a.m., 8 a.m., 11 a.m., 2 p.m., 5 p.m., 8 p.m., and this is the last court of the night. This is the 11 p.m. court. Those barrels almost just added to the court, laughing out loud.
Hi, Officer Cindy Nanetti at the Search Warrant Center. So, question, I mean, horrible driving here, but then he's running in the backyard, he gets tased. What other than the horrible driving do I have that he's under the influence?
What? A DUI, you say? And if you haven't done so, please do so. Hit that follow button. It's free. I don't ask for any gifts, but I do ask you to tap the screen, share, because sharing is caring. Don't be a Scrooge McDuck. Don't be a Mr. Krabby Patty. Hit that follow button. It's free for you. It's free for me. And it's my favorite price. Free 99, if you will.
So, are you telling me nothing? Because I can't sign this. Have you talked to the paramedics?
Hey,
Did they
thank
have
you.
any
Animal lover,
information?
thank you for sharing.
Did you
Chelsea,
talk to
thank you for the
medical
follow.
staff?
Don, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate you. Matthew, thank you for the like. Hey, like I said, it's free. It's free, man.
All right, well, I'm gonna send
who
this
doesn't
back
like
for more
free?
information,
I
'cause
like
right now
free.
You don't have it.
I know you guys like free because shit, it's
Okay.
rough out there. Hey, Gav, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate
So
it.
right now, I didn't turn it down. I just sent it back for more information.
Turn down for what? Hey, thank you, Arias, for the
Okay,
follow.
Bye.
Damn, she just slammed the phone. Like, bam, toma.
Got a second one.
Hey, this is me. Thank you for sharing with your friends. Highly appreciate that. The officer don't have evidence. 2 roses, my G. Thank you. Highly appreciate that. Gracias. But I'm out. Gonna get some. Hey, handle that. Handle that. Do the damn thing. Remember, remember the shocker. Is this how you do it? It's been a while. The shocker. Do the shocker, if you will. Horrible driving is not enough, Mr. Cop. Watching from England. That's right, Gav. 20 Moonstone. What state is this? Is Arizona, Phoenix, Arizona. County of Maricopa County, if you will. Tacos. You know why I couldn't do it? Because I did it with my left hand. I should have done it with my right. Do it. Dale gasolina. 2 in the pink, 1 in the stink.
Hi, Officer McCann, Cindy Nanetti at the Search Warrant Center. Are you ready to be sworn?
I am.
Do you swear or affirm that the information contained in the affidavit and warrant are true and accurate to the best of your personal knowledge, information, or belief?
I'm not sure. Normally,
granted. Good luck.
Normally they mute this.
Yep.
Normally they don't let us hear. But I guess you don't even care. Hey, what up, Kyle? Welcome from Arizona. Hey, it's rough in Arizona. Definitely proceed with caution, if you will. Don't get caught slipping out there, because, man, it's rough out there. All the shoplifting, the DUIs, the domestic violence.
All right.
It ain't no joke. They're doing court via Zoom. Yeah.
So, Alfred, come on in.
Alfred, come on down to The Price Is Wrong. What do you guys think Alfred did? DUI, a little DV, some
What's your name and
shoplifting
date of birth?
from Target, Walmart.
Davis, July the 6th, 1970.
Okay. So, I was told that you were unable to read the fugitive of justice information. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, here's what we're going to do.
He's a fugitive.
I'm just going to tell you some of the basics, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I can't really have you waive any of your
Call
rights.
me.
Because you weren't able to read it. But I'm going to go through...
Damn, not being able to read in
some of the
2025? That's
information.
wild.
So you have a warrant here from the state of Indiana on a parole violation.
Oh, they're going to pick him up.
You have a choice. You would have a choice to make at this time. You can choose to waive your right to an extradition hearing and be sent back to Indiana within 30 days. Or you can demand an extradition hearing and that a governor's warrant be signed by the governors of both states before they can send you back. Now, either way, because it's a parole violation, you can't be released.
Right.
Okay? So you're going to be held non-bailable in the Maricopa County Jail.
He's going to get that diesel therapy.
I'm going to give you another court hearing, which will be on October the 6th at 1:30. Okay? Now, you're not eligible for a court-appointed an attorney, but you can hire an attorney at your own expense if you choose. You're not entitled to bail because it's a parole violation.
Mm-hmm.
Now, at your next hearing, the judge will go through with you all your rights that you would have to give up if you waive your right to an extradition hearing. Okay? But because you weren't able to read all that information, I'm going to say that you're not waiving your right at this point. You can do that later. I have to hold you non-bailable. But this will start the time counting for the states, the governors of both states, Arizona and Indiana, have to get a governor's warrant in order to extradite you. Okay? That time will start by tomorrow. Yes.
I have a case pending here. I mean,
you have a case pending here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I've been arrested here for a case, I would like for them to wait to see the outcome of this case because I'm not guilty of the charges that they charged me with here.
The ones here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That's what violated the parole because I got arrested. You see what
Okay,
I'm saying?
I don't know anything about your case here, but were you appointed an attorney?
Well, that just came in Wednesday.
You're gonna
I
have a
just
hearing on
got-
Wednesday?
No, ma'am, I got booked in this jail Wednesday, and I have a court hearing for the 30th.
For
Because
the 30th?
Yes,
crime
ma'am.
never stops,
But
Gucci.
were you given an attorney?
Not to my knowledge, I wasn't appointed an attorney.
Is there any way you can look it up? See if he has an attorney appointed? Because if you were appointed an attorney, then you can talk to your attorney about this as well.
Exactly.
Yeah, so we're gonna take a look and see if we can see whether you were appointed a lawyer.
That fool's being here says Wednesday? Shouldn't the judge know this?
Now, on this case, you're gonna see another judge on October the 6th
Yes,
at
ma'am.
1:30.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's good. It'll be after your next court hearing.
Exactly.
So even if you were to, let's say, waive your rights today, you'd still be held until those other charges are...
Exactly.
Yeah. So this way, we won't
He's a fugitive
waive our
from
rights
Indiana.
today,
He's on
but
parole.
it'll start the time starting for the governor's warrant. But then by the 6th, you'll know more about your current charges. Does that make sense?
You was appointed an attorney.
You were appointed an attorney.
What is
Hey,
my
what up,
attorney
Boston?
name and how can I
It's
contact?
probably the public defender's office.
Okay,
So you can probably get that number
contact
from
the
the court
public
staff.
defender's office?
Yeah, and then they will tell you the name of your attorney who's been assigned.
Tutti Frog,
That
thank you
make
for the
sense?
follow.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, any other questions for me?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good luck to you.
So wait, one more question.
Yeah.
So you say
One more.
if I waive my right for extradition, they have to get governor to governor to come together?
There's two things. You can either waive your right, and then you don't do the governor's office stuff.
Right.
You just waive all your rights. But the thing about that
Shell.
is, usually they have to come and get you within 30 days.
I don't want that.
But,
I want
yes.
the outcome of my case. Sure.
Yes,
So how I go
because
about that?
you can't go within 30 days. They would have to wait until your current case is disposed of.
Exactly.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, she's going to print out your paperwork. So you can go have a seat in there, and then they'll bring you your paperwork. And then we have Juan Paradis. Date of birth is 10/9 of 84.
What up, Daphne?
He is a house call because he's disruptive.
Disruptive, you say?
He has a Superior Court new case alleging one kind of robbery, class 4 felony. I've appointed
Maricopa
a lawyer
County,
to represent him.
Arizona.
His next hearing is going to be a status conference.
Nicola, thank you. Daphne, thank you.
October 2nd at 8:30, and I've set a
Yeah, I've been good.
$50,000 bond.
Dream Chaser, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate you. Wait, how is this guy going through life without reading? Hey, you know
All
what?
right, let's go do our...
Damn! They cut us. They gave us the boot. That's going to be the last court for the night. But yeah, hey, so many questions. Hey, you know what? Nowadays, you don't even need to know how to read. If you got a smartphone and you can navigate it, your smartphone could do all the reading for you, the spelling and whatnot. You know, you do the voice to text. And I mean, who needs to know how to read? You know what I'm saying? But I mean, I guess you need to know how to read when you're in jail. You know what I'm saying? Because they don't let you have any smartphones, que no, unless you guys want in the prison wallet. But I mean, hey, you gotta have a smartphone. You can't be, you know, I don't think these flip phones have those capabilities, right? I don't know. You guys tell me. I mean, you're not lying, laughing out loud. Chat GBT that just blasted out my eardrums. What? I just got here. It be like that sometimes. I'm in Maricopa County, but not Phoenix, if you will. That's right. Hey. Well, I would count that as a blessing, Kyle. Because, man, with the stuff I be seeing right here in this court and the outbursts and the type of crimes that people be getting arrested for, you're definitely not missing out on anything, you know, by not living in Phoenix. It seems like it's definitely like the Wild Wild West. I hear there's a lot of people out there walking around like they're zombies, if you will. Hey, Catalina, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate you. Daniel A is laughing. Let me see. Oh, 87. Thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate that. Shell, thank you for the like. And for anybody else, I see there's about 922 people. I know you guys are here for the court, but if you guys do enjoy watching these type of court sessions and whatnot, In the past, I would run these on a daily basis for hours at a time. I've taken a break for the last a month and a half. I'm getting back into it. Got the brand new computer set up and whatnot. But if you do enjoy it, hit that follow button. So like that, you're notified when I am live. Some of the states that we do Arizona, we do Pima County and Maricopa County. In Florida, we do Dade County, which would be Miami. We also do Polk County. If you like some crazy outbursts, definitely tune into the Polk County ones. We also do Orange County. And what else do we do? We also do Texas. We do Judge Boyd. We do Judge Fletcher. We do Judge we do all of them. You know, all the popular ones. If you guys like these courtrooms and whatnot, you know what I'm talking about. All right, let me see. 20 Moonstones writes, love watching you. I'd rather be there for the comments. You know what I'm saying, Nicola? I was wondering where you went. I'm glad to see you back. Glad you're back. Hey, thank you guys. Highly appreciate it. You know, I've been getting back a lot of feedback and whatnot that, you know, other people have been doing this. So I'm like, man, you know, hey, that's cool. You know, that's cool. There's other people stepping up to the plate. But remember, if they don't got one of these right here, if they don't got one of these feed me mustachios and one of these red brushes, it ain't me. You know, so I don't think you're gonna get you shouldn't be getting the toilet flushes, the awas from anybody else, but right here at Collect Call from. You know, I should definitely patent that the toilet, if you will. And you might be wondering, like, what is he talking about, the toilet? What toilet? Let me go ahead and for those of you the guys that are new, that never experienced the awa drop one, flush one, let me go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and do a courtesy flush, all right? Drop one, flush one. Hey, thank you for that. But yeah, you know what? Hey, I've been doing these court hearings. I originally started off doing parole hearings. But I've since April I kind of slowed down on the parole hearings, but I still continue with these court hearings and whatnot. I've been doing them for about a year. I think September would be hitting my 1 year mark that I've been doing these hearings. I definitely enjoy them. You know, I definitely enjoy reading the comments and whatnot. You guys definitely have me laughing and whatnot. I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers. I'm at 16,000, a little bit over 16,000. So hopefully we'll be hitting 20,000 subscribers soon. So you know. It'll definitely help us over here. Let me see. Ain't nobody say free 99. They ain't you, mate. My favorite is the toasty. Let me see. Hey, when I do the toasty, can you guys hear the sound? I'm gonna go ahead and do the toasty one. Let me know if you guys could see I know you guys could see him, but can you hear him? Or is it just you guys just see him pop out? On YT, I believe they should be able to hear them. I'm not sure about on TT, if you will. Let me see. 20 Moonstone. Yes, she don't play. Once you hear this is what the court is gonna do, you're in trouble. Not right now, but you guys could see it, right? But it used to come on. Yeah, I got it. I got the sound. Let me see here. Do I got it here? Let me see. Perfect. Nah, let me see. Perfect. I got the perfect. Got the crickets. I'll add it back on here. I'll add it on. Let me see. I can't hear. Shh. I'm going to have to add it. Don't even tripas. Anyhow, hey, guys, if you guys haven't hit that follow. I would highly appreciate it. And this is going to be pretty much for the night. But I'll be back tomorrow. I'll try to get on in the morning before my wife wakes up. And, we'll be on for a little bit, do a little bit of Miami-Dade and a little bit of Maricopa. James is the best. Thank you, 20 Moonstones. Highly appreciated. Hey, I am Collect Call James. You are watching. You have a Collect Call from. And like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, I'm out. A rato. Chau. Y buenas noches.